Hey everyone, I'm Lugo, and if you've ever dreamed of turning your passion for design into a career, you're in the right place. On this channel, I'll show you how to master architectural and vehicle modeling from scratch, taking you from beginner to pro level. Imagine creating stunning 3D models that could land you freelance gigs or even your dream job. Ready to level up your skills and unlock new opportunities? Let's dive in. Welcome back, 3D Modeling Squad. Today is the day our project truly comes to life as we dive into creating windows. Not just any windows, but a smart parametric system that'll give us that professional edge throughout our entire house model. Take a look at this space we're working with. Seems simple enough, right? But here's where parametric modeling really shines. We're about to create what pros call a window master, a single intelligent component that'll adapt to every unique situation in our home. Imagine changing one parameter and having every window in the project update automatically. That's the level of control that separates amateur work from professional results. Let's address the elephant in the room. Since we pulled this project from monster house plans using image-based elevations rather than vector files, our measurements aren't as precise as working with real construction documents. But here's the truth bomb. Even with perfect blueprints, real-world projects always require adjustments. That's why what you learn today will be career gold. Check out this bathroom we've already modeled. The window opening dimensions don't exactly match our other rooms. In a perfect world with proper architectural drawings, this wouldn't happen. But let me tell you something. Perfect projects don't exist. True professional skill lies in creating flexible systems that handle these variations while maintaining design integrity. Now for the good stuff. First, we'll establish our base parameters: standard width, sill height, frame thickness. These aren't random numbers. Each serves an architectural purpose. That sill height? It follows ergonomic standards for comfortable viewing whether standing or seated. Watch how creating this first adjustable component lets us replicate windows throughout the house by simply modifying values for each location. Bathrooms might need smaller windows for privacy. Living rooms might call for larger openings to maximize light. The beauty? maintaining consistent design language across all variations. Here's a pro tip I swear by. Always build with future changes in mind. Today we're modeling for this specific project, but what if tomorrow the client wants to change all the window profiles with proper parametric components? That's minutes of work, not hours of tedious remodeling. This brings us to a deeper lesson about workflow methodology. While beginners focus only on final results, true professionals care just as much about how they build their models. Every organizational decision, every established parameter, every component relationship, that's what we call smart modeling. Our imperfect monster house plans measurements are actually giving us an unexpected advantage, forcing us to develop the flexibility and adaptive skills top architecture firms value. When you eventually work with proper construction documents, you'll already have the trained eye to spot inconsistencies and the skills to handle them gracefully. See how applying our window master system to this slightly different bathroom opening maintains design consistency through simple parameter adjustments? The frame profile, glass divisions, all those signature details stay intact despite dimensional changes. This is systematic design applied to 3D modeling. Here's the real takeaway. In the professional world, it's not just about knowing the tools, but understanding the principles behind every modeling decision. That's why today we're not just creating windows, we're building a workflow methodology you can apply to any future project, whether working with perfect plans or unexpected challenges. So when you're on a real project demanding accurate documentation from architects, and trust me, you should always demand it, you'll understand exactly why each data point matters and how it affects the modeling system you've learned to build today. That deep process understanding is what will make you truly valuable in this competitive field. Now let's roll up our sleeves and turn these blank walls into architectural features that tell a story. Watch closely as we build our window master component. This is where the real magic happens.